instructions for completing lesson 6, which talks about job applications. So first you're going to click on the first assignment, which is documents you may need when filling out a job application or applying for a job. So I'd like you to go through and check the documents that you currently have. That way we'll know what documents you might need and we can help you get those things. So you're going to submit that. And once you're done with that, you're going to move on to the next part of the assignment, which is actually filling out a job application. So you're going to click on Sample Job Application, and it's going to open up in Google Slides. And when you open it up, it's going to be a little bit too small to see. So you're going to go over here to View. You're going to come down to Zoom, and if you put it at 100%, it should be large enough for you to see. And you can actually type in this document. So you're going to fill out the information. So you're going to start with personal information. Don't worry about putting your social security number. Education, you're going to put your school information. Employment, I know some of you don't have employment history, so if you have any volunteer experience, you can list that here. If you do have employment experience, obviously you can write that in here. References, we talked about this with the last lesson, but just to refresh, a reference is someone who would give a good recommendation for you as an employee. So an example of a reference might be your classroom teacher, classroom assistant, school counselor, any staff at school that you work with. A reference is not anybody in your family or a friend. So if you go back to the Google Classroom, I have attached the contact information for most of the Spirit staff, so you can use this to fill out the reference section. And then once you're all done, you're gonna come up here and click share, and then you're going to email it to msweeney@fawildcats.org, and also to mandrews@fawildcats.org. And these emails can also be found in the Google Classroom. When you click on the sample job application assignment, like I just clicked on, it has the emails in here as well. So once you submit that, you'll be done with lesson 6.